As you now know, there are many types of infectious agents that attack the human body. Some have a distinct effect on the body, while others have similar outcomes. Let's review what we've learned. Viruses can infect all types of organisms, from animals and plants to bacteria. Viruses are the most abundant biological entity on Earth, and they outnumber all the others put together. Some, such as the smallpox virus, can infect only one species, humans, and are said to have a narrow host range. Other viruses, such as the rabies virus, can infect different species of mammals and are said to have a broad host range. The viruses that infect plants are harmless to animals, and most viruses that infect other animals are harmless to humans. Bacteria are a large domain of prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic organisms lack a cell nucleus or other membrane. There are typically 40 million bacterial cells in a gram of soil and 1 million bacterial cells in a milliliter of fresh water. In all, there are approximately 5 nonillion bacteria on Earth. Bacteria are extremely vital in recycling nutrients, such as the fixation of nitrogen from the atmosphere. Fungi is a member of a large group of eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic organisms contain complex structures enclosed within a membrane. Types of fungi include yeasts and molds, as well as the more familiar mushrooms. Parasites are organisms that derive nourishment and protection from other living organisms, known as hosts. Several parasites have emerged as significant causes of foodborne and waterborne illness. These organisms live and reproduce within the tissues and organs of infected human and animal hosts, and are often excreted in feces. One way they are transmitted from host to host is through consumption of contaminated food and water. There are different types of parasites, and they range in size from single to multi-celled organisms, as well as ecto and endoparasites who live on the inside or on the surface of their host. Fun fact! The 5-second rule, which states that food is safe to eat as long as you pick it up off the ground within 5 seconds, is not true. Bacteria will stick to food instantly. Also, the average cell phone has 100 times as much bacteria as a toilet seat.